Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, let's try this Korean style. Tingnan natin guys kung masarap. Lagyan na natin ng water, hot water. Masarap naman guys, anghang. Masarap. Parang may lemon, calamansi siya. So guys, para balance guys, yung maanghang. May matamis akong banana cake. Wala na akong rice guys. Ito na lang. Guys, kainin ko na lang yan diretso guys inog na kayo guys Tapos may onion choco ako dito guys. Sinaluan ko na ang mangustin, ginger ba yun? Onion choco na naluan ko ng ginger, mangustin. Ayun, para healthy guys. Balance lang guys. Hindi naman natin maiwasan na makakain ng unhealthy. Pero dapat mostly healthy, organic yung kakainin. Ito, hindi ito unhealthy.